everybody, it is Brooke with Re-fab. So I have this, which is a, what do you want to call this? A wall hanger, but it's like one of those scrolls, okay? From Hobby Lobby. It was $5 from Hobby Lobby. And then, oh goodness, I have a piece of, this is so funny. So I have a piece of cardboard because when you're a crafter and a creator, when you see a good piece of cardboard such as this, you don't throw it away because you're like, no, I could use this. So it's been sitting in my craft room. Like, y'all probably understand that. So we're gonna use this somehow on this. So let's just get started. Let's just start figuring out what we're doing and going with it, just rolling with it. I'm gonna maybe use this in my house, I don't know. I want to, first and foremost, I know that I wanna do this. I want to paint these right here, okay? I wanna paint this, and this. I thought about using scrapbook paper, but the problem is, because I do like the idea of scrapbook paper, but the problem is scrapbook paper is not long enough, okay? All right, so I'm gonna use bright red. Any of the reds from Apple Barrel will be just fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and use me some bright red. Okay, so I'm painting this part red. I'm getting it all over my canvas, which is not what I wanted to do, but it is what it is. I'll just roll with it and do something else on the canvas that will make it okay that it has red. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint this whole canvas. I was gonna leave it the color of the canvas. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint it like a green. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this and do a really fun, maybe this one, maybe a different one, but do something on this, glue it in the center, and then do something fun on the outside of it. Okay, so let's turn this around. All right, this is what it looks like now. Isn't it beautiful? Don't you love it? Okay, so obviously I got paint everywhere. It's okay, I'm gonna paint this all green now. So we're gonna take this English Ivy Green by Apple Barrel, and we are going to paint this bad boy green. Do I think this is gonna turn out pretty? I'm gonna tell y'all that I think it will. I am questioning everything right now, but I think in the end it will be very, very pretty. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna paint green as much as I can, but close to the red, because I don't want to get green on the red. I can add, I've got this ribbon right here that's like pom-pom ribbon, and I can hot glue it right along the edges, and that will be really pretty. So that is probably what I'll do. All right, guys. Let me show y'all this. Try not to get it on me. Okay, here's this. Now, once it dries a little more, I will fill in the spots that need covering up. So I'm gonna move that, and then we're gonna go ahead, the canvas is from Hobby Lobby, we're gonna go ahead and take this piece of cardboard. I didn't buy it, it just came in some package, and I'm gonna figure out what I want it to look like. So I think I'm gonna use this gold right here, and I'm gonna cover this. Y'all, I promise, I think this is gonna look good. I mean, all I can do is hope. And we're gonna cover this with Mod Podge. This is that good sturdy kind that never wrinkles up. Makes it easy to Mod Podge, because if it's very thin, sometimes you get those wrinkles and Good thing about Mod Podge, if you don't put it on straight at the beginning, you can move it around until it sticks. Then it's pretty much stuck on there pretty good. So I'm gonna put this in the center, okay? That's what we're about to do. But first, I need to try to dry this canvas off a little bit, okay? Because I painted it green, I painted this red, and now I need to, oh shoot, dry it. So I'm gonna use this. I do not have a heat gun. I'm gonna use this little angled brush right here to make some polka dots. And I'm not gonna use a spouncer. I'm just simply gonna, you know, hand do them. Now, if you don't like or you just don't feel comfortable or whatever reason, making polka dots like this, definitely get a spouncer, which are just the little foam sponges, and then just use those because those are very cute too. This is what it's looking like so far. So I think you can tell that it's gonna be cute, okay? So now while that gets hot, I'm gonna start on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue this onto this. So yes, I painted that white, left the sides the same, and I'm gonna paint a tree, okay? I'm going to start with the same color that I did on the canvas, which is the English ivy. I've got a little thin paintbrush. I'm gonna start at the top, and I'm just gonna literally do like I'm doing here. Just come down. The reason I have the 3 colors is because I am doing the base in this, and then I'm gonna add the other colors for more texture on top of it. And I'm still good with the white showing through too. Now what we're gonna do, and this can make a huge difference, is we're adding the limeade, okay? So now we're gonna start at the top. And we're just doing it while it's still wet because we love how they merge, the colors merge together, okay? Now, so ta-da! It's a really fun tree. Now, I'm gonna use some white, okay? So now I'm gonna add a little bit of white. Okay, so here's this. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here because we're getting ready to put it on our canvas, okay? So here's our canvas. So we have 2 more things to do. We need to hot glue this onto our canvas right here. This is just a really different type of project. We're gonna do that. And then I told y'all, I did not forget, we're gonna hot glue this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that part first, okay? This this was like, okay, $6.99 with half off from Hobby Lobby. This is some of my very favorite little ribbon. It makes the cutest bows, the cutest ribbon, everything. Why is this not going out? I'm good. Okay, here's where we are so far.
Dedication.
That was salty. Okay. So here's where we are right now, okay? Cute as can be. Now, so let's take this, my piece of cardboard that I Mod Podged on with my, what is this called? Wood slice that I painted a tree on. Now we're gonna glue this to this. This has tons of moving parts, y'all, tons of moving parts. So it turned out really cute. I'm gonna add the rickrack around it or the pom-pom, whatever. That's gonna be really cute. So thank y'all for joining me for all my stories and my fun crafting, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I'll show y'all that finished product soon. And I might even add some red berries to my tree. You never know what it might look like when I finally show you. So y'all have an excellent night, and I will see y'all later. Bye guys.